The Ring camera, yeah. So there's nothing wrong with it.
Okay,
I just wanted
okay.
a camera. I thought it had a camera on it.
Okay. Here we go. Remove this Ring camera, floodlight, and we're gonna install a Google Nest. Get the new.
Nice.
All right.
Nice.
Yeah. Guess what?
What?
Turn it on and see.
Okay.
Ooh, bright. So.
Okay, so this will just work with everything else. Does it shut off? The other light's not on. Oh, it is.
Yeah, both
That's
of them
the
is
camera.
on.
Sorry.
Mhm,
Yeah, I got it. I
This
got
is
it.
the camera.
Okay, cool.
So you can leave the light on now because
right,
it's
but
dusk to dawn.
So I can turn it off anytime I want.
Yeah, you know how we go.
Okay, cool.
Definitely. And you can keep this just in case.
Oh, yeah.